A special kind of engine, called a turboshaft, powers the aircraft. It shares some similarity to jet engines in airplanes, but also differs in key ways we'll see later. It's anchored to the roof, just behind the main rotor. There are multiple fuel tanks beneath that, secured in the passenger or cargo area. Towards the front, there's the cockpit, with controls for the pilot and the optional dual pilot package. Large windows maximize visibility, not only to the front and sides, but also above and below the aircraft. There's a wire strike